What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mitch and I make videos about how to fix, build, and increase your credit score. So in this video I wanted to speak about how credit repair works and how is it that we're able to remove derogatory accounts from people seeking credit repair. And I wanted and again, anybody can fix their own credit as long as you know the rules and regulations and the laws, because a lot of people the biggest mistake that I see people do is trying to fix their credit repair by themselves and end up digging their hole deeper. And what I mean by that, they can actually re-age old accounts that were going to be after 7 years they fall off, or they actually bring attention to the original creditor, and then it just and people are able to and the creditors are going to sue them because now they're able to dig up this information. So depending on what you're trying to do, seek professional help if you're trying to do it on your own, and if you're not, just get educated on the law and what they can do, what they can't do. And if you have a lot of time, go for it. Fix your own credit. But if you're gonna fix your own credit, just consult with somebody, because again, I don't want you to dig your hole deeper and end up getting sued or re-aging on old account that I was gonna be able to fall off. So I'm gonna take you guys to my website, and I actually added an extra a window and how is it that it works, just so it can I can direct people to it, or if people have questions on how it works, I can just direct them to my website. So I'll take you guys there. Alright guys, first things first, you're gonna want to go to your Google or your internet browser or whatever it is that you use, and on the URL just type mitchfinancial.com, which is actually my own website. And I created a tab to explain to people and many of my clients how is it that it works. And I was able to summarize it in a way for you guys to understand and not fill you with so much, overwhelmed with so much information. I just went straight to the facts, and I hope I hope that I'm able to just explain to you guys better than anybody else. So you just click on the tab how it works. If you can use this on your phone, but if you're on your phone and you're like this, just make sure you switch it to the side and you'll be able to actually view my whole website. You scroll down, and please guys, just take a minute and read through how is it that credit repair works. Pause the video, read it, go through the picture with the laptop first, then with the credit sign second, and then I even included a section of what if the items on your credit report are really yours, and how is it that how it works that I'm able to remove your items from your credit report. Or if you're gonna do it on your own, just please try to research the law and try to get mentored by someone, okay? Because again, you don't want to dig yourself like a bigger hole than you already are, okay? So here you go guys. I hope this helps, and I hope I was able to explain to you guys how is it that the process works. If you guys have any questions about credit repair, I'm pretty knowledgeable when it comes to this subject. I've been doing this for 9 years. If you guys want to get to know me a little bit more, make sure you read my About Me tab, and it explains to you, and I actually wrote out how is it that just a little bit more background history of who is it that I am, what is it that I do, and you're able to kind of get to know me a little bit more. So again guys, if you guys have any questions about credit repair, how to increase your credit, any tactics, or is there anything that you guys want to know, if you're buying your first time house, ask me. I have a lot. I'm sure I have the answers to your questions. And again, when I purchased my first property with my wife, I learned, even though I did so much research and I was mentored by somebody on how to purchase a house, there were still a few things that I wasn't taught, which was in a way a blessing in disguise, because I'm able to actually now provide this information to people who are in the market of buying housing, and I can point out like exactly what are the main things to look out for when purchasing your house. Again guys, make sure you put something in the comments, like this video, subscribe, whatever. Follow me on Instagram if you like. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and until next time.